Starting from today, I need to go to school on foot.
Why? I remember that your father drives you to school every day.
He said the oil price will continue to rise and he will avoid driving to save money.
I also noticed the increase in oil price from newspapers. I wonder how Hong Kong's economy will be affected by the ever-increasing oil price.
From what I have learned in class, I think higher oil prices will lead to increases in production cost and the short-run aggregate supply will decrease.
You're right, but how exactly does it affect the price level and output level of the economy as a whole?
Are you talking about the macroeconomic equilibrium? I haven't learned about that yet.
I think aggregate demand is similar to market demand, while aggregate supply is similar to market supply, so the effects of their changes are also similar.
How about the long-run aggregate supply? What does it measure?
I don't know. Hope we will learn what we need to know in today's economics lesson.
I hope so. Seems we need to hurry. We may be late.
Right. Hey, wait for me! Do you know the meaning of macroeconomic equilibrium? Can you guess the effect of an increase in oil price on the price level and the output level of an economy?